आपने ये बताया कि जब कोई स्पीकर बोल रहा है दिस इज नॉट डेमोक्रेसी, दिस इज नॉट हाउस वर्किंग, काम करने का तरीका नहीं होता। कुछ मेरे से ट्यूशन ले लो, मैं बता दूंगा ऑपोजिशन कैसे करना आता है।
Chaos returned to the corridors of power today, as monsoon session of parliament once again dissolved into uproar. Not over policy, not over budgets, but over SIR, the special intensive revision of electoral rolls in Bihar that's triggered a storm unlike any in recent sessions. And right at the center of it, a sharp-tongued rebuke from BJP's JP Nadda, who tore into the opposition accusing them of replacing democracy with anarchism. This isn't a dissent, this is drama, he declared as members of the India bloc raised slogans and held up placards inside both houses. But first, what's SIR? SIR, or Special Intensive Revision, is a drive by the Election Commission to update electoral rolls. In Bihar, however, the opposition claims it's being used to manipulate voter lists, potentially disenfranchising large numbers of marginalized or opposition-leaning citizens ahead of the state's next election. This isn't just a bureaucratic footnote. It's being framed as silent and visible rigging by protesting MPs. And today, that fight took center stage again. Protest turns theatrical. In a moment of calculated symbolism, Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi and Dimple Yadav led a protest where they ripped up SIR placards and tossed them into trash bins outside Parliament. The message? They believe the EC's process belongs in the dustbin of democracy. Their slogans rang through the house: our vote, our right, our fight. But what started as protests soon shut down proceedings entirely again. Both houses were adjourned multiple times and no legislative business could be carried out. Nadda hits back. You need lessons on democracy. In a fierce speech, Parliamentary Affairs Minister JP Nadda lashed out.
और आपने ये बताया कि जब कोई स्पीकर बोल रहा है, अब मैं यहां से बोल रहा हूं, अगर मेरे बगल में आकर के कोई खड़ा होकर के नारे लगाएगा दिस इज नॉट डेमोक्रेसी, दिस इज नॉट हाउस वर्किंग, ये काम करने का तरीका नहीं होता। मैंने कई बार कहा, ओ मैडम जी सुन लीजिए, मैंने इन लोगों को कई बार कहा, 40 साल से ज्यादा ऑपोजिशन में रहा हूं, कुछ मेरे से ट्यूशन ले लो, मैं बता दूंगा ऑपोजिशन कैसे करना आता है। अभी नए हो, अभी तो 10 ही साल हुए हैं, अभी 30-40 साल रहना है, मेरे से ट्यूशन ले लो।
His comments drew thunderous support from treasury benches, but equal fire from India bloc leaders who claim the government is dodging real questions and silencing debate. What's the bigger picture? This is no ordinary procedural fight. Here's why it matters. If SIR is biased, millions could be left off voter rolls. Parliamentary function? The session is close to a total legislative washout with crucial bills on sports, doping and digital privacy stalled. Election season signals. Bihar and other states are heading into elections. Allegations of tampering now could become national issues tomorrow. Opposition strategy. Take it to the streets and the states. After today's session, India bloc leaders hinted at coordinated action outside Parliament too. Jharkhand's assembly has already passed a resolution opposing SIR and more states may follow. Their message? This isn't just about Bihar, it's about defending voter rights across India. What you should be watching now, will the EC respond? So far, the Election Commission has stood by SIR. But with pressure mounting, a public clarification or court case could soon follow. Can Parliament recover? With only days left in the session, there's little hope of major legislation unless a truce is called. Will the public tune in? These events could shape political narratives heading into 2026, especially around voter suppression, transparency, and electoral reform. This isn't just a political brawl. It's a deeper battle for the soul of the electoral process. Whether you believe the SIR protests are principled resistance or political performance, one thing is clear. Parliament isn't just gridlocked. It's on fire and the heat is only rising.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.